How's it going, friends of YouTube? My name is Mike. This channel right here, up here, is Health and Wealth. Thanks for joining me today. I've got some new technology out there, so new fancy mic, just for doing these types of videos on the go, on the road. But today's video is about MSTY, so I thought, I just got paid from MSTY. Finally, it seems like so long ago that it paid out, or that the distribution was announced, but here we are on Tuesday. What's the date today? July 8th. July 8th. And finally got paid. So what am I doing with the money? Well, I'm going to go ahead and put it into ULTY. That's the plan. If you watch my ULT video, I'll put it up here, over here, but I'll also put it at the very end too. But today's video is specifically about MSTY, how it keeps paying, its volatility, its implied volatility level. And we're going to go over that today, as well as a whole bunch of other information about MSTY. If you find it interesting or you enjoy the content, I hope you hit the like, the subscribe, and of course that bell notification, which is down at the bottom of the screen here, so that you can see these live reveals in the future. So let's get into it. I'll spin around, I'll get to the desk here, and we will take a look at some of the screens that I've got up here ready for you. So today, Mr. MicroStrategy trading at $396. So this thing's up and down like a yo-yo today. If you haven't taken a look at it, I'm recording this at, well, you can probably see it over there, 10:46 a.m., just on break over here. And then MSTY trading at 2079. Now, I'm going to go over my average cost with everybody here, but I mean, if we take a look over the last 5 days, it did have this big dip. If you're not aware of what the dip is, on the X distribution date, it generally will lower approximately the price of the distribution that you're about to get. So this last distribution was $1.23. So $1.23 coming out. So you can see that dip right there was $1.15, a little bit less, right? Because the market probably was going up a little bit. Mr. was probably going up a little bit. Bitcoin may have been going up a little bit. So $20.70. My passive account here, I went on and I took a look at all my distributions from everything since I've had a trading account here. And MSTY so far has paid me $5,472 Canadian. We're going to take a look at the American version coming up. But if I go to 1 year here, there it is there. And then this is the payment that just came out. So this is post-tax. If you're from Canada, there's a few different account types that we could do. We could do cash account. You could do TFSA or RRSP. I currently have mine in TFSA, which means that I'm automatically taxed 15% withholding on all distributions that come from U.S. stocks or ETFs. So that 624 is including the tax that was already taken away, which is nice. And so for us in the U.S., I'm going to show us the U.S. price today on this coming up here. By the way, if you want a passive account, it's free for Questrade holders. If you want the elite version, you got to pay $99 a year. I put a link for it down in my pinned comment below. Definitely pretty good. Let's take a look at this this chart right here. I created this just recently out of Google Sheets deleting all my information, so I had to recreate it. But I currently have positions in Nvidia, MSTY, Coney. I just created a new position in Hui. I have HHIS, which is a Canadian gem, and then I also have Alti, which has just started. We're going to go more detail into Alti in a further video, but what I'd like to do in this video is talk about MSTY. And just to be transparent, I do have other positions out there as well. These are my main positions that I have, and this is not recommendations or advice to you to buy these positions. I don't recommend that at all. I'm not a financial advisor. I may talk about finances on YouTube, but you shouldn't listen to people on YouTube to make your decisions in life. Find out what your risk tolerance is, understand the underside, the downside, the upside, and the side of these funds before you make any position changes. All right, let's take a look here. So I've had MSTY now for 12 months officially. Actually, I think we're going into month 13, so I'm going to change that up. I currently have 369 shares, so this is going to go to 500, and I'm going to share how I'm going to get that to 500. My current average cost is $24.46. So I'm hoping that goes down this month a little bit, and the current price is $20.68. This changes up and down like a yo-yo today, but as of the recording of this video, we're at $20.70. So let's go ahead and change that up a little bit here. But semantics, tomato, tomato. The current market value is $7,646. There's that total distribution I received. I got that information from Passive. And then I just went to Canadian to US dollar conversion on Google. And so my total dividends or distributions received from, let's change that up, received in US is $4,001. Pretty good for 13 months, where your total investment is $9,025. So that means my return on capital is 44%. I'm pretty happy about that in 13 months. If we take this and we go, fast forward and we just kind of tunnel vision, say everything will be the same, which it won't. But let's say it is, then, I'm at 80% by the end of the year. So or by the end of the year 2, which would be great. Here's Misty's total distribution. Misty's paid out $39.63. The average distribution is still pretty high up there, $2.47. That number is coming down, though. As you can see, here is every distribution. And the last two have been, well, actually the last, let's go look at it here. Ever since December, they've all been under that 247, which means that when this came out, it was a high flyer. We'll talk about the reason why it was paying out so much when it first came out compared to why it's paying out less right now. So that's that. I do have a closed profit of $800 on it on a nasty covered call that went wrong. I'm not too happy or too upset about that, but lessons were learned on that one. So there's my count so far. I'm hoping by the end of this month I'll have at least 20 shares more. Let's find out how NVIDIA and Hui do, because those are the two that I'm going to take the total distributions from both of those, and I'm going to put it into Misty here. That's the plan until it gets to 500. And at that point, I'm going to start taking it and distributing Hui, NVIDIA, Misty funds into, I'm going to put them into HHIS a little bit. And then I'm going to really kind of fast forward this Alti here as well, get it to 1,400 shares. Once I get to 1,400 shares, I think I will let Alti drip, but these plans can change. And from there, who knows what will happen. But yeah, that's my Misty shares so far. Let's talk about its volume. Let's talk about what's happening, what's going on with the distribution. So a lot of people in online forums were saying, like, why is it $1.23 and not $4, right? So this is actually a pretty cool website. It's not super up to date, but it's fairly up to date, if that makes sense. I just typed in Mr. Dashboard, but also you can go to strategy.com here, and it's going to show you a lot of information about Strategy, which is Misty's underlying company. The thing that we really care about is this implied volatility. That's how Yield Max makes money on Misty, or for us from Misty, is that implied volatility. The higher this number, the more lucrative the calls are, which means that they can get higher premiums for their calls that they put out there, right? The higher the premium, the more money we make, which is pretty awesome stuff. But Mr. is just an absolute weapon of a company over here. It's doing incredible. I have seen a few other people look at this website, and I wanted to check it out too. It's called marketchameleon.com. And so at the top up here, you type in your stock symbol or your ETF symbol or whatever you're trying to look. And so for me specifically on this website, I'm looking at that implied volatility that we just saw over on Mr.'s website, strategy.com. And it's over here. I mean, you can go to current, right? You can see the implied volatility right now, 49.2 as of like right now. But if we go to historical here, this black line right here, you can kind of follow it along if this is something you're interested in doing. And just so you guys know, I'm in sales. And when I say the word interested, I hate it so much because it's a terrible line in sales. So I'm clearly not trying to sell you anything here. But if you're interested, if you're just kind of cruising around the internet and you want to look at this is a cool website to look at. But you can see the implied volatility. Remember, we talked about those huge distributions last year. Going into November, there was some massive ones, right? 226.5 was the implied volatility back then. At the peak of Mr. and Misty. Misty was at $42 at that time. But you can see since then the implied volatility is coming down. It's the bottom number on there. So we're at 130, and then we go all the way down here, and it's at 67.1, right? This is in February where the payments started getting a little bit lower. And then it went up to 99, which is great. And then if we go all the way to here, June 1st, we're at 50. June 2nd, we were at 55%. And then that number is decreasing, right? We're all the way down to 46 there on June 27th. And then today, July 7th, yesterday, July 7th, we're at 52.5. Okay, so this is the reason why your distributions are lower than what you have come to grow and expect. And I mean, remember how I said this is relatively updated? For me, I like to go look at this every night, just as one of those like websites that I click on just to see what the percentage is out of curiosity. Now, you can also go to Market Chameleon here, and you can type in Mr. and go to historical right here, and you can check it out right there as well. This is the implied volatility. The higher the implied volatility, the more money that comes to us in form of distribution, right? Bitcoin US price today, 108,000, just kind of hanging around, which is great. 108,000. Personally, I hope it goes down to 75,000 again, but I don't know. Will that happen? You never know. It might. But I mean, over the last month here, up 2%. Why do I want to go to 75,000? I want to buy more, and I want to buy cheaper, right? And I think this is a really, obviously, everybody in the world thinks this is a really good long-term purchase for sure. So that's why I wanted to keep going down. Michael Saylor agrees. Actually, I agree with Michael Saylor. He has bought more and more Bitcoin. If you take a look here, last purchase that's on the Michael Saylor tracker.com was on June 29th. So just 9 days ago, 10 days ago. And so they acquired 4,980 Bitcoin for $531 million. And their average price at that time was 106,801 per Bitcoin. They've achieved Bitcoin yield of 19.7 year to date, 2025. And as of June 29th, 2025, we hodl 597,325 Bitcoin. And that was acquired for $42 billion. Get your finger out there if you know the reference. Good for you. If you don't, you're not old enough. And so their average cost is $70,982 per Bitcoin. Pretty incredible stuff from the team over at Yieldmax, the team over at Strategy. They just keep buying. I'm under the same mindset myself. Keep buying. And for me, obviously, I'm not buying at these kind of levels. I'm probably not buying at your levels either. I'm just kind of dipping my toe in. Whatever's affordable for me, I buy a little bit more and more and more. I've also found Michael Saylor on Twitter over here. He's an enjoyable follow. If you're into the whole Bitcoin world, he is definitely an enjoyable follow. There's lots of cool videos on here to watch that he posts and reposts from other people. And on here, you can just see, lots of information from him. Strategy has added $21 billion of digital assets value in Q2 of 2025. That's insane. Lots of different stats here. You can see here, Strategy announces $4.2 billion at STRD at the market program, right? So a little bit of information there too. So yeah, I mean, for me, I find this stuff interesting. I'm gathering if you're still here right now, you probably find this stuff interesting as well. And so if you want to give me a follow on Twitter, my Twitter handle is @wealthy2034. I also post content on Nvidia, Coney. What else do I post on? Hui's going to be a new one. Alti, HHIS, and of course, Mr. right here. These are my tops that I talk about. I talk about early retirement as soon as humanly possible. So I'm really happy that you made it to this video here. Talk to me in the comments below. What are you doing with your MSTY money? I'm interested in hearing that for sure. For me, I'm building up my Alti, but I'm waiting to the X distribution day for Alti before I go ahead and make that purchase of 68 shares, I think it is. But if you enjoyed this content, I hope you hit the like and the subscribe button below. My name is Mike. This channel right here is Health and Wealth. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now. Oh, wait. Hit this video. Bye for now.